Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by assembling ingredients. 4 boneless chicken breasts, 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons butter, 1 cup low-sodium chicken broth, juice of 1 lemon, about 3 tablespoons, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. Pat each chicken breast dry and season both sides with 1 teaspoon salt and 1/2 teaspoon black pepper total. Lightly dredge the breasts in the 1/2 cup flour and shake off excess. Zest the lemon for 1 tablespoon zest and set aside. This zest will brighten the gravy later. Heat a large skillet and add 2 tablespoons butter over medium heat. Cook the dredged chicken breast 6 to 7 minutes per side until an instant read thermometer reads 165 degrees F. Transfer to a plate to rest. In the same pan, melt 2 tablespoons butter, then add 1/2 cup flour to form a roux. Whisk constantly for about 1 minute to cook the raw flour taste. Gradually whisk in 1 cup chicken broth. Bring to a simmer for 5 minutes until thickened, and stir in 2 tablespoons lemon juice plus 1 tablespoon lemon zest. To adjust consistency, mix 1 teaspoon cornstarch with 1 tablespoon cold water and whisk into the simmering gravy. Cook until glossy and thickened. Return the cooked chicken to the skillet and spoon the lemon gravy over each piece. Allow the plated chicken to rest 5 minutes so juices redistribute. Taste and adjust with a pinch more salt or 1 teaspoon honey if the lemon is too sharp. Garnish with 2 tablespoons chopped parsley and serve over rice or mashed potatoes. This yields about 2 to 4 servings depending on appetite.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.